Good morning, all the students of 7th standard. We are learning the third lesson of history. Page number 11 is going on. Third paragraph on the right side, below the Sant Kabir portrait or the pictures. In the Bengal, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu underlined the importance of the Krishna Bhakti. In the Bengal provinces, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu he stated the importance of Krishna Bhakti there in the Bengal provinces. Means he gave the more importance for the Krishna's prayer, puja there. Due to his teaching, people joined the Bhakti movement in transcending the boundaries of the caste and creed. Due to the work or due to contributions of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's common people or many people, they joined the Bhakti movement by crossing the boundaries of caste and creed. Under his influence, their caste and their religion, that by crossing that they went and they start to join the Bhakti movement. Under his influence that or under his impact, Shankar Dev spread the Bhakti movement in Assam. Shankar Dev, this person, spread the Bhakti movement in the Assam. And Narsi Mehta was a renowned Vaishnava Sant in Gujarat. Along with that, Sant Narsi Mehta, he was a renowned or famous Sant from the Gujarat regions. Narsi Mehta, he was an ardent devotee of Krishna. Narsi Mehta was a great devotee of Lord Krishna there. He gave the message of equality, and Narsi Mehta gave the important or he gave the message of equality. He is known as the first poet of Gujarati language, and Narsi Mehta was known as the first poet from the Gujarati language. Sant Mirabai stressed the importance of devotions to the Krishna. Along with that, Sant Mirabai, she gave the importance for the Krishna Bhakti there, or the devotion of the Lord Krishna's. She belonged to the royal family of Mewar, and Mirabai, she belonged from the royal family of Mewar. She was taking the name of the Lord Krishna all the time. She renounced all the pleasure of the royal family life. That means she left the royal family of the Mewar, and she inner herself that she makes herself in the devotion of the Lord Krishna's. Left the royal family, belonging from the royal family. She left the royal family. She came out and she spent all her life in the devotion or bhakti of the Lord Krishna there. She composed devotional songs, verses of the songs in the Rajasthani and Gujarati language. Mirabai, she composed the number of the songs into the Rajasthani or into the Gujarati language. Her devotional verses gave the message of devotions, tolerance and humanity. All the songs or messages gave the peoples. They taught to the people about the devotions, to have the devotion in the God, to have your faith, trust in the God. Tolerance, endurance, capacity should be there. We should be endure. We should be tolerate. We should be carry the burden there. And humanity should be there. With the humanisms, cooperate with each other, help, mercy, compassion with each other. That these messages she gave to the common people. Sant Sena was an influential son. Along with that, Sant Sena, he was important son there. Sant Rohidas was a great son. Sant Rohidas was also there. He was also a great person there. He gave the message of equality and humanity there. Sant Rohidas also gave the message of equality and humanity. All are equal. All are human beings, they are equal. Surdas, a great poet of Hindi literature. Surdas Doha is also famous there. Surdas, devotional to the Krishna, that his verses were famous, that devotion to the Krishna or Krishna Bhakti is the subject of his work. Surdas, what are the verses are there? Main subject of their verses, that is the devotion toward the Krishna Bhakti there. So what are the verses where there of the Surdas are there? Their subject, main thing, Krishna Bhakti. The verses on the Krishna Bhakti composed by Muslim Sant Rashkan they are also melodious. The verses which were composed by the Muslim Sant Rashkans also were melodious, means they are great. That Ramcharitra of the Sant Tulsidas is also beautiful composition. Ramcharitra is a beautiful composition composed by Sant Tulsidas. expressing the devotions to the Rama. That in the Ramcharitamanas they express the devotions toward the Ramas or the Lord Rama. In Karnataka, Basaveshwar spread the Lingayat stream of thought. In the Karnataka provinces, Lord Basaveshwar, he spread the stream, Lingayat thought, Lingayat ideas, he spread in the Karnataka. He opposed the caste system and stressed the dignity of labor. Sant Basaveshwar opposed the caste system and gave the importance for the dignity and the labor, hard working there. Kaya Kave Kailasa is his well-known saying, which means work is Kailas. Kaya Kave Kailasa is a poetry. Sunday song that the meaning of that is work is only Kailas there. Work is worship. That is mean that. He encouraged the women's participation in his movement. So Sant Basaveshwar encouraged the women to participate in his work there, in his movement. One more video I'll send immediately after this. That is, we'll say. Okay.